Hey there, Jeff Baller Clips here, back in our video. Today I'm actually going to do some online play. So you ready to fold these people, yo? Let's see, what skin, should we be Buff Sisters today? Buff Sisters, alright. Let's do this. Ew, not this one. Alright, let's see here. Oh yeah, we're doing online play anyway, so color doesn't matter. Buff sisters. Don't underestimate the buff grannies. They're a force to be reckoned with if you watch my videos. Am I rough or tough granny? Tough granny. Okay, you're buff granny, but I'm tough granny. And rough granny, I don't know who she was. I forgot. Alright, here we go. One. Let's get these full out. My face. No! Bruh. I was knocked out cold. That is wild. Let me turn my brightness up. I mean, my brightness down. Are you alive still? No, you're not. How dare you disgrace this video by starting out and dying instantly? Are you still alive? Okay, this guy just won by an easy shot. Yeah, they got it easy. They're gonna have it coming the next round. They're gonna have the real pain is about to begin. Come here! Run! Oh no! Uh-oh. This ain't good. Stay at the back of the train. Trust me. I can't move my guy. What the heck? Oh no! Ouch! Goodbye, old granny. Oh no! About to fall. Oh, I just drop-kicked that ninja guy off. Goodbye. We are We are the champ. Yo, he's still alive. Oh, wait, never mind. He's a dead guy. A real dead guy. Let me rotate my camera. Okay, so who... Oh, hold on. Alright. Hoo-yah! Uh-oh! God, this guy, he's about to get double grannied. Take a nap. Ouch! Oh no! Come here! Oh no! Man, this guy's getting surrounded by both the grannies. Wait, hold on. One at a time. Don't want to fall off for stupid reasons. He might be agile, but we are walking tanks! Oh no! Come here! Oh no! Yeah! He just played like a... His head bounced like a basketball. He went doink, doink. Coming up! No, no, no! No! I must join you! Ow, ow. I just went through the floor. Man, that was good. Oh boy. Gotta let my hot pocket cool down. 2, 1. Let's get these full. What? Okay. Wait, what? I'm fighting somebody invisible. This isn't fair. No! Yo! I was fighting somebody invisible on my screen. What? How is that fair? Bruh. That is absurd. Well, let's get some of this action here. Who's gonna die? I swear I'm seeing invisible people. It is insane. Ugh. He's dead. He's definitely dead. Oh, what a flex. He's going to lose his stamina and fall off. Oh, he's losing his stamina. He's about to fall. Yes! He fell finally. Wait. What? Huh? Yo! The other guy fell out of the map on my screen. Yo! He's at the bottom of the map. What? What is going on with this match? He is literally at the bottom of the map. What is going on here? Whoa! Yo, you gotta check this video out when I upload it. I got like this bird's eye view 100 feet in the air. Whoa! What is this? What's going on? Yo, I gotta make this the thumbnail. 7 minutes. 6 minutes to 7 minutes. Oh, and the guy glitched under the map wins, of course. Oh yeah, let's get him. Buff Granny time. Let's do this. Yeah. Ouch. Uh-oh. This kitty's about to lose all his 9 lives. Uh-oh. I'm getting... This guy is freaking targeting me. Oh, no. Wake up. Wake up. Oh, no. I got you. Climb. I like how you just headbutted me. Oh, that was funny, actually. This guy is good. I ain't gonna cap. Through the bread, 2,000. Well, he's dead now. Fold these suckers. Fold these suckers. Don't give him an easy W. Let him come to you. Yeah, these guys are doofuses. Ooh. Oh, no. Don't let him get that easy W. Are you playing with your food? Ouch. Whoa. Well, technically we're cross-teaming in a way. Just don't let him get that easy W. Oh, how? How? I was about to say, what if he knocked out his own friend? That'd been hilarious. Hey, we do the same thing too. That death roll was insane. Alright, it's folding time. Come here. I got you, dude. Let's get them. Oh, he's in our house. Oh, heck no. I got him for the door. Oh my god, this guy is... He's getting chased by 2 grannies. Buff and tough. Oh no! Take a nap. Uh-oh. Okay, let's get this guy up here. If they want to cross team, we can cross team too. Oh no. We're like cotton candy, the yin and yang. You can't run forever. Out. Oh! Whoa! He just threw. What was that? Well, why is these specific skins are so broken with the spiky hair? Ouch. Take a nap. Oh no. How you keep waking up? How does this fool keep waking up? He's gonna throw me into it. Wait. We got Meow Meow. We're gonna take all his 9 lives away. Yeah. Careful. The Fitness Grand Pacer test. It's a multi-stage robot capacity test that clearly gets more difficult as time continues. Line up at the start. Oh! Yeah! Hoo-ya! Ow, my face! I do not have a face anymore. I lost my face privileges. Wait, you want to hide in a corner? Let Vanessa take care of him? It's not... Ow! My back! Run to the corner. Quickly! Swim! I am trying. This ain't running. This is strategically avoiding. You climb like a grandma. We are grandmas. We're buff grannies. Wait, let Vanessa Oh no. Ay caramba! Oh no. Oh no. He's gonna try to drown me, and then he's gonna get the W. If he's gonna knock me out eventually. Oh no! He's gonna try to get the W. Stay alive. I need you to stay up. Yeah, I really need you to stay with me. Stay away from Vanessa. Ouch! I need you to stay in that corner. Stay in the corner. We're safe. Join the corner. Oh my gosh! You see what I'm talking about? Vanessa's gonna grab him and finish him off. Just give it some time. Hey, if that 30-second timer's going off, I'm going in for it. Don't worry, Vanessa's gonna get the guy. Oh, see? She's going in for the kill. Oh no! Whoa! I think Vanessa's targeting us. I honestly feel like that. Yeah, it honestly is. Vanessa knows who the... Uh-oh. Vanessa, target the guy. He's right 10 feet away from you. No, she wants to target the people 50 feet away. Okay, 30-second timer's about to go off soon. I need to finish this. We need to finish this. Oh no, Vanessa is really coming in for the swoops. No, that is malarkey. Vanessa went straight for me. No, no, yo, what is this? Help. Ah! What is that malarkey? That Vanessa went straight for me. Avoided the other guy, who is like, I don't know, right here. Ay. Ouch. Oh, no, that's him. But you're about to take a permanent nap when I get done with you. Why? He is right there. No. No. No! Ouch. Apparently. Vanessa doesn't like targeting this guy, but likes targeting old grannies. Ouch! No way! Vanessa grabbed me, but not the other guy. Not fair. Not fair. Oop! Not fair. Oh no. Oh, okay, I'm out. Come here! Oh, wow. How? Help? This makes 0 sense right now. Whoa! He just tossed me like I was nothing. How? This guy barely hits me every time. It must be the hair, the spiky hair. Because I swear this guy just barely hits me each time. Take him out. How is he waking up after... You see how he's waking up constantly? I need some clarification here. How... Okay. I gotta stay alive in order to tie out the game. I gotta stay alive. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5. Ouch. 3, 2, 1. Just drop kicked his back. Containers. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. This is going to be... I took out the kitty. Kitty's got no more 9 lives. This is... Okay, hold on. Oh! I know, that's why I was looking at the... But the fact that she's still alive is impressive, none the least. I won! Yeah! Oh. Yo. Alright, so let me go and end this episode off, because we're getting into 20 minutes already. Let's see here. And we'll start up another episode. Alright, this is end of this episode. We're getting to the 20-minute mark. Let's... Oh, no. Accidentally left. Alrighty, y'all. So, I'll catch y'all in the next video. We're going to do some online games after this. But I think I like to keep videos in a certain category each time. So, yeah. Alright, it's Just Baller Clips. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care, y'all.